Good evening everyone and welcome to post-market analysis of Nifty, Sensex as well as Bank Nifty on the 17th of September. I know that my video is not visible. I have a small technical issue with my camera. So I believe my face is not important but the market is more important. So hence I think it is okay to continue even without my face. So another very good day in the market. Nifty opened with a very slight positivity of around 30 to 40 points and finished 91 points higher than yesterday's close. So Nifty closing at 25,330, and this is what has happened today. Nifty again gave a consolidation after a gap up opening. The consolidation was within only around 80 points. The opening made today was 25,276 and the highest point today was somewhere around 25,346 or let's say 350. So that is around 70 points. It is only 70 points that the Nifty moved today, and our portfolios are turning in the green, but these are difficult times for option sellers and option buyers as well, mainly because VIX has fallen down by 0.2 percentage again. India VIX is at 10.25. So Nifty moved up by 0.36 percentage, Sensex up by 0.38 percentage. Bank Nifty has started outperforming Nifty, and the pick of today's sectors was Nifty IT, moving up by 0.65 percentage. I have tracked Nifty India defense sector as well, which has moved up by 2 percentage again. The automobile sector has also seen positivity 0.55 percentage, and all this positivity comes from the fact that we are getting into better trade negotiations with the US. Also that we are expecting an interest rate cut from the US Federal Open Market Committee minutes, which probably might have been out now. We will check that in between as well. So as of now, no interest rate cuts are announced, but we should be in for an interest rate cut, but will it be for 25 basis points or 50 basis points is the only question that remains to be answered. So this is how the daily chart is looking. So we have turned bullish in the technically we have turned bullish. We have crossed the crucial resistance of 25,150 to 200 levels, and now we are at 25,330. That for Sensex has also formed a very similar after yesterday's kind of Maribosu. Again today is a very small bar, green bar. Nifty Sensex closing at 82,700. Right, let us go check the open interest data for the upcoming week's expiry. This is what the open interest tells us. There is a very high amount of put writing at 25,200 and followed by 25,300, then followed by 25,000. So the highest amount of put writing at 25,200 indicating bullishness. We should not be in for any sort of negativity soon. So bullishness is to continue in the market, and that is to be expected. Every fall will now probably act as a buy opportunity. It is turning into a buy on dip market. So even if we are down to probably 25,200 again, it could be seen as a buying opportunity rather than another possible slide down. Now the highest amount of call writing obviously is at 25,500. Let us go check the FIDA data. FIs I am sure today would have also bought, but no. That's where the market surprised us. FIs have sold shares worth 1,100 crore, but for the 8th consecutive day, FIs are turning bullish in futures, and that is a good news. So FIs are net bearish in futures, but again for the past I think 8 days, for almost I think for around 20,000 future contracts have turned positive for the FIs. FIs have short calls and they have short puts as well, but they are short puts in large numbers, indicating bullishness again in the market. Let us go check the global indices, and in the meanwhile I was also checking SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty currently is, just a minute, trading at 25,500 or another 0.3% up, indicating further bullishness in the market. So we should definitely be in for a resistance at 25,500. Again, depending on the rate cut announcements today, will it be for 25 basis points? And a 25 basis point cut will not act as a very positive news for the market. The market might consolidate and do the normal thing, but a 50 basis point cut will serve as a very positive news for the market. The US is trading Dow Jones 0.6 up and Nasdaq IT index is trading in the negative. If we go check Europe, it is kind of a mixed signals with slight bearish bias. Now that for Asia, Asian markets are also mixed, trading slightly in the green but in the mixed zone. So there is nothing conclusive from the global market data we have. SGX Nifty is currently trading at 25,500, in and around 25,500. So we could be in for another probably 70-80 points gap up opening tomorrow as well. And we have to expect some sort of profit booking from the higher levels, 25,500. From the higher levels, we have to expect some sort of profit booking, but it might not last more than a day is what I feel. There is overall general positivity in the market. Now let us await the interest rate cut and the news for tonight. Probably it may be out by later tonight or tomorrow morning. So we will track that and will come up with decisions according to what the FOMC says. So that's it for the post-market analysis of Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty on 17th of September. Thanks for watching. Please do join us in tomorrow's live trading session. Till then, take care, Jai Hind and goodbye.